Okay, we're back again. So here at ASU West. Now we're gonna enter the other building. And we'll check it out. Look at all the pamaypay and the hats. Look at all this. Cute. Shopping.
So, I've been a Christian since 1988.
Miss Teen USA. Okay, so in this building over here, this is where it's happening. Wound Masters. Ha? Ay, hindi. Wala. Sponsor lang. Wound Masters. Yes, Yeah, okay. See ya. Ito, may mga nagtitinda ng barong, Filipiniana, tattoo and stuff. Yes, love. Oh. Hi, Ate Jen. Thank you. Thank you. Love. Could you put this in the purse, please? I switched the Labubu, yeah. I switched the Labubu outfit. Check out my Labubu outfit. I have the Bring Into Energy Love with Min Min. No, it's actually Miu Miu, but it's Min Min. Cute. I just bought it. I didn't buy the Labubu here. I just bought the outfit. I've had the Labubu for a while. Here it is. Are you gonna watch the event, babe?
Babe?
Are you gonna watch? Wait, babe, before the thing goes away, you should get it already. Did you end up getting the Labubu stuff?
I'm asking Christina if she wants it, but eventually I might. It's cute. I love it.
It is cute. I got the Miu Miu outfit.
I love it, and you got the pink one.
Yeah, I've had it for a while, and it's dirty. Actually, I'm like, it's time to dress it up.
So cute. Hers is a light blue.
Oh, okay.
But she's been looking for the clothes.
Yes.
When I saw that,
I know, and actually they're a good deal.
Yeah,
Over there.
it's $10.
Because other people, they charge $45 for clothes.
And then she said if I buy the one with the clothes, it's like $80. Which isn't bad. It's
Yeah,
you get the
because it's Labubu with the clothes.
Yeah.
By the way, her sister has issues.
Oh, with the... Oh. Yeah.
She's in Tucson and she's in pain a lot.
Oh, definitely. Just mail it to him, to her.
That's what he said. So I'm gonna talk to my sister to let her know.
Yeah.
Yeah, because she doesn't want medicine, and they wanted to put a pain pump inside her.
Oh.
That's bad. That's very bad. All they're doing is feeding her medicine, and her brain tricking her brain, and then she's gonna be addicted to it.
Exactly.
I said, nope, we're not doing that.
Hi, how's it going?
How are you doing?
Good, thanks. It's so cute.
This is for our candidate number 12.
Okay. Very
And if
cute.
you'd like to buy the shirt, it's $10.
Do you have them in kid sizes?
The smallest one we have, I think it's medium.
Could I see it by chance?
Yeah, let me see.
My daughter loves anime.
Oh! Oh, this is a medium. Okay.
Yeah, that'd be too big. Yeah, she's
You know
little.
what? I'll have
It'd be like a kid's meal. She's only 6, yeah.
Okay.
But I figured I'd ask. It's so
Yeah.
cute.
And then you know what? We can actually make a pre-order for her.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, babe. Nako. Here, can you do this?
Oh, wait, that's all?
Yeah, let me,
Oh, that's the back.
Yeah, hold it.
Okay.
Let me see. I'm gonna show you. CC, candidate number 12. CC, the pink hair. Sponsored by Cookie Masters, Lions Club International.
I thought there were 2 separate shirts. That's clever. Huh? Oh, get here. All right, can I end this?
Well, I was gonna, Okay, so anyway, yeah, so these are the tables over here. We've got this. You're amazing! Hello, mga sisters! Diba? Ang You're Amazing products. And then, the Twin B Essence. Sis Jo and Sis Riza. I love it talaga. Kailan tayo magkakaganyan? Ang cute.
Alam ko lang kung bakit mura niya pwedeng gawin.
Ano? Kasi sa t-shirt.
Sa t-shirt siya
Kaya ano?
vinyl lang siya. Hindi siya DTF.
Hindi DTF. So, ilang washes lang Pero yung likod,
Vinyl din siya.
hindi yung parang yung likod parang ano eh.
T-shirt ko din ito. So yun, medyo mura yun.
Ganun. Kasi nakatatak na siya eh. Oo nga. Kasi any washes.
Wala kahit ilang wash.
Oo, yeah. Kaya mas mura. But look at the little tote bags. Oh, diba? That's cute.
Aalis kasi kami sa 14 sis, pero pilitan ko siyang makagawa ng ganito para kay sis.
Okay.
Meron si sis
Okay. Yung kanya lang, yung anime niya.
Oo, pero iniisip ko yung anime.
Ay, that's cute! Oh, diba? And then, look at this. Built by women, backed by sisterhood. Ayun. Yes. Dalawa. Wala. Congratulations. Si DJ lang. So anyway, apat. Oo. Yan, dalawa kami. Okay. Kaya nga, bibilang ko siya ng barong para nakabarong siya. Ayan. Look at all this. From You're Amazing. For the Mrs. Philippines, Arizona.
Si Maribe, kunin mo siya ulit.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Coco Shop. Oh, cute. Food. More food over here. Love Lux authentic pre-owned and there's Ate Beth.
Well, if I happen to see you and see her, I'll introduce you.
Aba, si Ate Beth, ang daming tinda din. Wow! And then, of course, Tag Salad Master. Come on. Okay, this is so cute. Look at this. to?
65.
Oh.
So, yeah, ano po kayo, accountant po talaga ako. All of this is basically for a boss.
Ah, okay.
Gawa ko ng empresa sa Pilipinas.
Oh, okay.
I'm just like helping them out to make their products here.
Is this handmade here or Philippines?
Philippines po.
Ah, Philippines.
Preso, mga prisoner.
Ah, really? Oh, that's good.
Mga preso po sa Philippines,
Look at that. It's made out of straw. So it's $65 for this big bayong. It's cute.
Oh, yes, you did.
Uy, madam, ang cute, oh. Oh, this is cute. Ayan. It's nice, very nice. I'll take your card. Thank you. And then of course we've got Pura Vida here. And then Tag Salad Master here. And Kuya Ricky, naka-ano ka na? Nagsalita ka na? Ay, hindi ko na-record. Hindi ko na-record.
Minurder ko yung mga pangalan.
Ano ba? Siguro binilisan mo, no?
Hindi. Ang bagal ko kasi mga...
Oh, sige na. Okay, teka lang. So, anyway, ayan ang Pura Vida. And then, ano meron dito?
Free blood pressure, free A1C to see if you're pre-diabetic or diabetic.
Wow.
Ay, mahal yung A1C, magkape.
Oh, libre dito.
Libre.
Ay, that's nice.
Parang
Nagpa-print ka
3
na.
months of blood sugar mo.
Ah, wow.
Dito,
O, sige po.
dito ka muna para blood pressure.
Ah, sige na nga, patry. Tingnan natin yung patches kung talagang nag-work.
Tapos sa kailangan naman ng doctor, we have doctors.
Aha.
And, uy, magkano pala kayo sa October? Meron kaming free fibro scan. Saan kayo nakatira? West or East?
Ako po is siya sa ano?
Sa West? Yeah, bibigay ko na. So may ano?
Anything, buy me
You
anything.
tell them na. Right. May fibro scan na libre.
Saan po ako pipila? Dito muna
Dito
umpisa.
muna. At least dito muna, no? Okay.
Ate, kailan tayo magpaparade? Sino-sino ba tayo nakasuot niyan? Asan sila ano?
During the pageant.
Ah, mamaya pa.
3 o'clock yun eh. Doon
Oh,
sila darating
okay,
doon.
okay, okay.
Ganito na dapat tayo.
Ah, okay, good. Ay, yes po.
Can you fill this up?
Ay, teka lang. Okay, so I'm gonna end this live video muna. Okay, bye-bye.